Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, mouse pointer not working on Windows 11 fixed. Press Start button, type Device Manager, press Enter key. Press Tab key. Press down arrow key. Press right arrow key. Down arrow key select problematic mouse. Press Enter key. Press Tab key 3 times. Right arrow key to select driver. Press Tab key 3 times, press Enter key. Tab key 2 times, press Enter key. Press Enter key to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.